This is a 1970 Pontiac Catalina. Happens to be a police car for a town in New York State. Beautiful condition, blue and white. Paint job is exceptional, as all the bright work is too. Now, I don't know what engine is under the hood here, but most likely it's a 400 cubic inch engine. They also were using the 455 in the Bonneville, so I don't know what the police car specification was, but at any rate, this is one of their fleet. And to show you that they use Pontiacs, here's a picture of the fleet of Pontiacs for this town, Clarkstown, New York. And evidently it was licensed up there in New York and inspected. And take a look, and this is probably a supervisor's car, because his back is upholstered there. And there you can see the well-worn upholstery here in the front. And the police radio down below, microphone. These were the days when police cars didn't have that much equipment. A radio, and that was about it. And you have the taillights integrated into the bumper. Now, this car would be quite capable of some high-speed pursuit, I would say. You don't often see a Pontiac police car back in these days.